Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Wild Will here. Got my Scorpion roller rockers in and got my oil priming tool there so I can prime the engine before I try to crank it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, oh yeah. Oh man, ain't they pretty? Ooh yeah. Scorpion 1.5. Oh yeah. Scorpion 1.5. Roller rockers. Oh man, that's gonna make that cam sound so sweet. Everything here. Got the keepers, lockers. Everything right there. Sweet. Oh man. Christmas in November. Scorpion 1.5. Yeah. That's going to be so much better. Anyhow, I figured I'd share that with y'all. Going on the Corvette tomorrow when I get off work. And hopefully by tomorrow evening, because I got to work late. Tomorrow evening, I'll have her fired up. Hopefully be ready to roll. Anyhow, that's Scorpion U.S. product. Amazing, but yeah, U.S. product. All right, y'all take care. Peace out. I'll see y'all later.